Scene 3. Angle 2. Take 2. Action.
Okay, we're gonna do this one last time.
Have you seen that Vine of the girl where she's like, oh yeah, and then the guy goes, wow.
Parked here because we thought this would be the best makeout spot.
I messed it up. Can we do it again?
Yeah.
Hey, are you guys lost or something?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. We just parked here because we thought no one was around. I guess this wasn't the best makeout spot.
Aaron, you've seen too many movies.
Scene 3. Take 3. Action. Alright, let's do that again.
First of all, this is a heist. You can. Ah, shit, fuck. First of all, this is a heist. You can. Fuck, why do I say that?
I don't know.
Scene 3. Angle whatever. Fuck. Scene 3. Action.
Alright, let's hear the plan.
Huh? wait, are you doing a whole thing? You just have to stake the place out first. Get your keys.
Stake the place It's your
Scene 3. Action.
Grab your keys. Get your keys.
Action.
Get your keys. What?
Did you want me to exit out of it? I don't know.
Okay, got it. Oh my god.
Excuse me, we're filming.
And action.
What was that? I just heard that.
See, it just keeps going.
Cut.
Cut it, just
We
keep
learned to
going,
count in
cut it.
school.
Cut.
One comes after two when you're counting backwards.
Let
3.
me count. 3, 2, 1,
Action.
action. You mean to tell me that I did not hear that?
You're also deaf.
You mean to tell me that I, Hannah Lichtenstein, oh, I'm sorry, what is my character's name? Two-dimensional girl Emma, did not hear. Boom!
Action.
Action, I said it first.
Now we have to do it again.
No, we.
3, 2.
Action, I said it first.
My hands.
Cut.
And
Cut.
cut. One. Yes, the mic is on.
Got him.
And we are rolling. That means action.
Yeah, and Matthew's okay.
What the? Why do you? I couldn't even see it.
Get your ankles out of the thing first.
But they're out there. Like, they're all.
What do you want me to do? Like just lift you up through the doggy door?
Yeah.
What?
Shut up, monkey. but just a little bit.
You what?
Shut up, monkey.
You what?
Oh, he's saying shut up.
I don't know.
Jeremy, shut up. Jeremy, get out of the seat.
Is the
Is
mic
the sound
on?
on?
Is the mic
Yeah.
And cut.
Ready? Action.
Oh!
Dude, I was flexing this now. You made me laugh.
Look at me,
I don't want you to
You
think I
have to
actually
flex
am.
when we see you, Ethan. Come on. What the fuck? Richard!
Wait, you guys are the gangs from earlier, right? Oh my god, that's this is wrong. Something's going on.
Oop.
Oh. Jeremy.
You
Oh, that was graceful.
Yeah.